Hey there homeowners, today I'm going to show you how to fix a jam nail gun like a pro. Let's get to it. First things first, safety is key. Make sure your nail gun is turned off and unplugged. Always wear safety goggles and gloves to protect yourself. Now let's identify the problem. Most jams happen because nails get stuck in the firing mechanism. So grab your toolkit and let's start by removing the magazine. Once the magazine is out, look inside the chamber. You'll probably see a bent or stuck nail in there. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, gently remove the jammed nail. Be careful not to damage the internal parts. Next, check the feed mechanism. Sometimes debris or misaligned nails can cause jams. Use a small brush or compressed air to clean out any dust or debris. Now, reassemble the magazine and make sure everything is aligned properly. Load it up with nails and give it a test fire on a scrap piece of wood. If everything's working smoothly, you're good to go, but wait, if your nail gun still jams, it might be time to check for worn-out parts. Springs, seals, and O-rings can wear out over time. Refer to your user manual for troubleshooting and maintenance tips. And there you have it, a quick and easy fix for a jammed nail gun. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent most jams. Keep your tool clean and well-oiled, and it'll serve you well for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Happy fixing, safety, always wear safety goggles and gloves when working with power tools. Emotion 3, music upbeat, instructional, background artist Bob Vila. Bob Vila's Home Again, writing style, informative.